Hello everyone, I am Saitech and welcome back to my channel Saitech. Or in today's video, I'll show you how you can actually buy the POCO X3 Pro for about 17,000 close to 249 rupees. So yes friends, in this video I'll try to exactly mention you how to do this kind of process. So right now I do have the POCO X3 Pro and plenty of users are actually commenting on my videos asking me to make a video on this particular topic, as you can see. So in the POCO X3 Pro in the Flipkart it's showing about 17,249, but at the end of the checkout they are getting the price kind of different. But in this video I'll try to exactly show you how you can actually get this kind of price. So first thing, let's take a look at the Flipkart website. As you can see, this is the Flipkart website where we got the offers listed, everything, and here we can actually see the 10% off on the credit card, which says 750 rupees discount, and for the 10% off with a 500 rupees discount for the debit card. And not only that, on the top of that you do get the additional 1000 off. So if you are having the ICICI Bank debit card, for example ICICI debit card, 1000 plus 500, so 1500 rupees will be discounted. Let me try to show you exactly in this kind of scenario. As you can see friends right now, so I do have the debit card which is ICICI Bank, and 1500 got instant discount directly, and the final amount became 17,499. This is for the 6GB RAM variant. Try to check only 6GB RAM variant. For the 8GB RAM variant, the price will be different. The price will come close to 19,000 around. So for 6GB RAM variant, the price will be around 17,499 rupees. And right now, in case if you want to get further more discount, there is another way to do that. Let me just show you how you can actually do further more discount. You can get the discount up to close to 69,949 rupees as well by using the American Express ICICI Bank credit card. Only then you will be able to get this kind of huge discount, but you need to pay the additional interest charge, which will be around 369 rupees, as you can see. But overall the final product cost will be around 17,318 rupees. This is the final cost, will be the price for the POCO X3 Pro device. So in this way you will be able to get this kind of huge discounts on the POCO X3 Pro if you're having the ICICI Bank credit card and American Express. So all this together, only then you will be having this kind of huge discounts. So in case if you don't have any other American Express credit card from the ICICI Bank, no problem. Still you can get the discounts of 100,000 plus 500. If you use the credit card, 1000 plus 750. So in this way you will be able to manage the discounts in this product. But one more thing I forgot to mention. This 1000 plus 500 is successfully added into debit card, but this 1000 plus 750 is not adding in the credit card. I'm not sure, maybe this credit card is belong to the American Express, that is the reason, I'm not sure. But exactly, if I try to use the credit card, I'm getting only instant 1000 rupees discount, but debit card I'm getting 1500 rupees discount. If I try to pay EMI, I'm getting 2000 rupees discount. As you can see friends, total, that's a huge amount. So in this way you'll be able to buy the POCO X3 Pro. Try to use the ICICI Bank credit card and debit card during this time of payment. Only then you'll be able to get this kind of huge discounts on the POCO X3 Pro. And for this kind of price, I think for this 17,000 price, it's a really very good deal for the POCO X3 Pro to buy right now at this moment for this kind of huge discounts. So in this way you'll be able to get this kind of offer friends. And thank you for watching this video. In case if you have any other queries regarding this issues while you're trying to pay this POCO X3 Pro, let me know in the comment section below. And don't try to select any other different options. I mean, whenever you buy the product, initially they'll give this kind of all the product offers. As you can see, all the deals which will be going on, try to not select all these offers. So only then you will be able to see this kind of very less price. Some users, if they don't know, all these offers will be automatically selected. That's the reason. As you can see, you need to undo them every time whenever you buy the product. So make sure to check that list before actually paying the amount as well. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. So in this way we'll be able to buy the phone. I think maximum I did get close to only 17,318. I did not get close to 17,249. I'm not sure by using which card we'll be able to get that 17,249 discount. At this moment I'm not sure. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video friends, and stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, bye.